magtatagumpay ka, sasaya ka, at magiging payapa ka. Amen? So today, my dear friends, I invite you to check your heart. Suriin niyo po ang iyong puso. Is there something growing silently inside of you? Don't wait it to spread. Run to the divine healer. Because only Jesus, who died for you, can heal that disease in your soul that is killing you. Ganyan tayo kamahal ng Diyos. Baka nakalimutan niyo po, nagkamatay siya, inalay niyang sarili niyang buhay sa krus para ikaw ay maligtas, para ikaw ay mapatawaran sa iyong kasalanan na pumapatay sa iyong kaluluwa. Sana naman, mas mahalin mo ang Diyos para maiwan mo yung pagmamahal mo sa iyong kasalanan. Alam ko po marami sa inyo, dahil nakasanayan na yung kasalanan na yan, mahal na yung kasalanan. Yan ang problema. It is because you love sin so much that you have developed this hatred to God. Baliktarin po natin. Let us rectify our attitude, our hearts. Love God more so that you can let go of your love of sin. Love the Lord more so that you can hate more sin that kills you. Let your love for God be greater so that you can avoid sin. Mga kapatid, God doesn't want you just to survive. He wants you to live fully, joyfully, and eternally. So stay awake, stay clean, stay close to God. Dahil ang pinakamagandang kalusugan ay ang isang malinis na kaluluwa. Amen.